Welcome to Keepsales. In this video, we are going to look at how to add new products to our inventory on Keepsales. And on how to add products on Keepsales, we will be looking at two ways to do that, which is one, using the fast addition tab, and then two, uploading with Excel. The difference between the two styles of adding products is that you can only add new products using the fast addition tab one at a time, whilst with uploading with Excel you get to upload bulk products at a time. Okay, so let's get on with adding new products on Keepsales. We click on the main menu. On the main menu we look for stock, and then we click on stock, and then under stock we click on add new products. Okay, so we are in the first product addition tab. Now we have to enter the details which are provided below. So in doing that, we have to click on the products department, and then we select a particular department that we would want our products to be under. Okay, so let's choose let's say computers, and then for product name we can select any, let's say the MacBook Pro, and then for a batch number we can select any batch number that we want. So Apple 1248. Okay, and then after that we can choose the quantity which is available. So let's say we have only 5 available in stock at the moment, and then we select the cost price. So let's say the cost price for a MacBook Pro will cost 5,000, and then the selling price is the amount we'll be selling the price to the customer. So we can, let's say, select we can enter 7,000. Okay, so once you are done with entering these details, you click on add product. Okay, so after you have clicked on add product, you receive a message which says that a new product has been successfully added, and then you click on OK. Okay, so that is for adding new products using the first product addition tab. And the second option to adding new products on Keepsales is uploading with Excel. Okay, and then you realize that on your right there's what we call the bulk products import. So to upload with Excel, the first thing we have to do is to download MS Excel stock template for bulk import, which is right under the bulk products import. So we click on download. Okay, so what is going to happen is it's going to download a stock sheet, an MS Excel stock template sheet for us. Okay, so realize that it has been downloaded here, and once it's downloaded you can now click on it to open Excel for us, so we can have an idea of the kind of details that we are supposed to provide in this particular template. Okay, so usually this is how a template appears like. So there's a product name, there's a product batch number which is provided, there's an expiry date you have to provide. Now there's a unit selling price, the unit selling price wholesale, so retail and then wholesale, and then unit cost price, and then the quantity available, and the low level quantity available. Now for illustration purposes, we've already provided the details that we need to be able to upload all these items onto Keepsales. Okay, so once we are done with providing these details, now you save, and then you come to your products category. You click on products category. That's the category that you want the products to be under. So let's choose anything. So let's say yes, a demo depth will do. And then now you come to upload Excel from computer. So you have to click on choose file, and then we look for our products. Okay, so you click on open. Okay, so you realize the name of the product appears in the box, and then you click on import product. Okay, so once you are done, it tells us that we've been able to successfully import our product. So we click on OK. Okay, so this is how you upload new products onto Keepsales using the fast products addition tab, or you can also upload it using the Excel template which is provided on Keepsales. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. There are more of these videos which are available. Have a nice day and bye bye.